Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty. Where dream homes come true. Property renovated. Full renovations scheduled to be complete on or around end of October. Currently occupied, must have an appointment to show. New roof to be installed. Large 4-bedroom 2-bath all brick home in Batesburg. Could be great first-time home or business office. Let your imagination go to work. Great potential. Corner lot. Hardwood floors and fireplaces.